Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Notion to organize a film shoot. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is create a new page on Notion. This will be our central hub for everything related to our film shoot. Here's why this matters. Having a dedicated page on Notion helps us keep all data, schedules, and notes in one place, making it easier to manage the entire process. Once we have our page, our next move is to set up your tables. Notion's table feature will allow us to track various elements like scenes, locations, and cast members. The reason we use tables is they're a great way to organize complex data in a visually appealing and efficient manner. Now that we've set up our tables, let's move on to creating a calendar. This is where you can input your shooting schedule, cast call times, and deadlines. This helps us because it gives a bird's eye view of the entire shoot timeline, keeping everyone on the same page. After that, let's create a task list. Here you can assign tasks to your team members, set deadlines, and track progress. This is crucial as it ensures all tasks are accounted for and everyone knows what they need to do. Finally, we'll set up a note section. This is where you can jot down any ideas, suggestions, or observations. The reason we do this is because it's always good to have a space for spontaneous thoughts or feedback that might prove useful later on. And there you have it. You've just set up a comprehensive film shoot organization page on Notion. Remember, the key to a successful film shoot is efficient organization and clear communication, and Notion is an excellent platform to achieve that. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shooting.